everyone. We're here to engage in a lively discuss. We will discussing 5 number system conversion. First, the binary to decimal. Second, the decimal to binary. Third, decimal to octal. Fourth, decimal to hexadecimal. Fifth, hexadecimal to binary. So, let's get started. For each conversion, define the number system, show a step-by-step example, explain why each step is done. First, binary to decimal. Binary, a base 2-number system using only 0 and 1, where each digit represents a power of 2, starting from 2, 0 on. Here, an example of binary number to decimal number. Convert the binary number 1 0 1 1 0 1 to decimal number. Right, 1 0 1 1 0 1 binary number. This is the binary number. Step 1. Write the binary number. Step 2. Step 2. The powers of 2 from the right to left, starting with 2 over 0. Right. Pataas na lang. Right. Kundi pa ganun. 2 0 2 1 2 3 2 2 2 3 2 4 then 2 5 false. Multiply each digit by its power of 2. 2 times 0 equals 0. Arrow. 2 times 1. 2 times 0 is equals to 1 because of the power of 2. 0 1 ang gagamitin natin sa binary to decimal. 2 times 1 equals 2. 2 times 2 equals 4. 2 times 3 equals 8. 16. Then 32. Then step 3. Step 3. Write the power of 2 below the corresponding binary digits. One 0 1 1 0 1. Tapos isulat natin dito yung power of 2. Multiply natin sa right to left. 32 16 8 4 2, 1. Then times the multiply each binary digits by its corresponding power of 2. Power of 2, then binary power of 2, then times multiply starting right. 1 times 32 is equals to 32. 0 times 16 is equals to 0. 1 times 8 is equals to 8. 1 times 4 is equals to 4. 0 times 2 is equals to 0. 1 times 1 yan guys. 1 times 1 is equals to 1. Plus, add the result. Ito na yung result ng binary at saka yung power of 2. Para makuha natin yung decimal niya. Decimal number. Kasi binary to decimal. Read 32 step 4. Plus 0 plus 8 plus 4 plus 0 plus 1 is equals to 45. This is the decimal number of 10101. Tapos na tayo sa binary to decimal na example. Explain why step is done. Each position's value doubles as you move left to multiplying by 2. Converts binary digits to their decimal equivalents. Let's proceed to decimal to binary. Decimal base 10 system using digits 0 to 9 where each digit represents a power of 10. An example of decimal to binary. Convert the decimal number 25 to binary. Step 1. Divide the decimal number by 2. 25 divided by 2 is equals to 12. With remainder 1. Step 2. 12 step 2. Divide the quotient from the previous step by 2. 12 divided by 2 is equals to 6. With remainder 0. Step 3, 6 divided by 2 is equals to 3. Remainder of 0. Step 4. Three divided by 2 is equals to 1. Remainder 1. Step 5. 1 divided by 2 is equals to 0. Remainder of 1. Para makuha ang binary number, let's read the remainder from bottom to top. Therefore, the binary equivalent of the decimal number 25 is 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. Here the example, step-by-step example of decimal to binary. Why each conversion step done? Reminders represents binary digits 0 or 1 from less significant to most significant bit. Let's proceed the third conversion, the decimal to octal. Octal base 8 system using digits 0 to 7, where each digit represents a power of 8. Here are the example of decimal to octal. Here an example of decimal to octal step by step. 156. Convert the decimal number 156 to octal. Step 156 to convert to octal. Step 1. Divide the decimal number by 8. 156 divided by 8 is equals to 19. Reminders 4. Step 2. Take the quotients from the previous step and divide it by 8. 19 divided by 8 equals to 2. Remainder of 3. Step 3. 2 divided by 8 is equals to 0. Remainder of 2. Step 4. Collect the reminders in reverse order from bottom to top. Gamit ay kolektahin natin ito from bottom to top. 2, 3, and 4. Read them from bottom to top gives 234. The octal number of 156. Then octal base is 8. Base. This is the step-by-step example of decimal to octal. Y step is done. Decimal to octal reminders correspond to octal digits with each division step isolating a power of 8. What is hexadecimal? Base 16 system. Hexadecimal or hex is a base 16 number system. This means it uses 16 symbols to represent numbers. Symbols used. The symbols are 0 to 9, the same as decimal, and A to F, where A is equals to 10, B is equals to 11, C equals to 12, D is equals to 13, E is equals to 14, and F is equals to 15. Hexadecimal is commonly used in computing and digital electronics to simplify the representation of binary data. It's easier for humans to read and write than binary. Here an example of decimal to hexadecimal step by step. Step-by-step example of hexadecimal to hexadecimal. 495 convert to hexadecimal. Step 1. $495 divided by 16. 16 is the base of hexadecimal. Is equals to 30. Remainder of 15. Hex of 15 is F. Step 2. 30 divided by 16 is equals to 1. Remainder of 14. 14 is E. Step 3. 1 divided by 16 is equals to 0. Remainder of 1. 1. And final step. Read the remainder in reverse order. Bottom to up. And the hexadecimal of 495 is 1 E F. The decimal number of final answer. Hexadecimal. Y step is done. Reminders 0 to 15 map to hexadecimal digits, simplifying presentation of large numbers. Let's proceed to the last conversion, hexadecimal to binary. Hexadecimal by 16 where each digit converts to 4 binary digits level. Parang ganun din kanina yung decimal to hexadecimal, pero ito ay mas ito ay binary naman, like yung 1101. Ganun din ganun ang resulta ng hexadecimal to binary. Here are the example of hexadecimal to binary number, step by step. Example, convert the hexadecimal number of 4A to binary. Hexadecimal to binary, they have a table. This is the table of hexadecimal to binary. 0 hexadecimal, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 'A', ito na lang, A, B, C, D, E, F. This is the hexadecimal. Binary of F, 1, 1, 1, 1. Binary of E, 1, 1, 1, 0. Binary of D, 1, 1, 0, 1. Binary of C, 1, 1, 0, 0. Binary of B, 1, 0, 1, 1. Binary of A, 1, 0, 1, 0. Binary of 9, 1, 0, 0, 1. Binary of 8, 1000, 1, 0, 0, 0. Binary of 7, 0, 1, 1, 1. Binary of 6, 0, 1, 1, 0. Binary of 5, 0, 1, 0, 1. Binary of 4, 0, 1, 0, 0. Binary of 3, 0011, binary of 2, 0010, binary of 1, 0001, binary of 00000 is the table of hexadecimal to binary para makuha natin ang kanyang binary ng ganito ng A4A. So 4 binary of 4 is to 0 4. Convert binary to binary. So 0 1 0 0 to 4. Plus A, binary of A to 1 0 1 0. Combine the binary sequence. Pagsamahin itong binary na to para makuha na ang binary ng 4A. Una ito 4 0 1 0 0 2 1 0 1 0. The hexadecimal of A4 is equivalent to the binary number 0 1 0 0 1 0 1 0. The final answer of A4 hexadecimal to binary. Each hex digit directly translates to 4 binary digits, making conversion fast. Yun po ang why each step is done. Thank you for listening for my discussion about number system conversion of binary to decimal, decimal to binary, and decimal to octal, and decimal to hexadecimal, and hexadecimal to binary.